Not sure how to use your TRANE AC remote? Model number TCONTRM02WA. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your TRANE AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. Press the Follow Me button to activate the temperature sensor inside the remote, allowing the air conditioner to adjust cooling or heating based on the temperature around the remote instead of the indoor unit. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating based on room temperature. Fan speed lets you control how strong the air blows. Press it to cycle through low, medium, high, or auto fan levels. Whether you want a soft breeze or powerful cooling, it's just one click away. The display button toggles the LED display on your AC's indoor unit on or off. This is useful if you want to reduce light at night or make the display easier to read. Press the air direction button to manually adjust the airflow angle. It lets you fix the louvers in a specific direction for steady cooling. Use this when you don't want the swing function active. Pressing the vertical swing button moves the louvers up and down automatically, helping distribute air evenly. Press again to lock them at your preferred angle. Pressing the horizontal swing button controls the left to right movement of the louvers, spreading airflow evenly across the room. Press again to stop at your preferred angle. Pressing the Eco button activates energy-saving mode, where your AC balances cooling and power use. It adjusts fan speed and temperature settings automatically. To set the timer for the unit, press the Timer On button to start the on-time sequence. Use the temperature up or down buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn on. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the Timer On function to activate. For example, if it is currently 3 p.m. and you want the air conditioner to turn on at 5 p.m., set the timer for 2 hours. To set the timer for the unit, press the Timer Off button to start the off time sequence. Use the temperature up or down buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn off. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the Timer Off function to activate. For example, if it's 10 p.m. and you want the AC to turn off at 12 a.m., you can simply set the timer for 2 hours, and it will automatically stop at midnight. To lock your TRANE AC remote, simply press the Eco and Timer Off buttons together once. This locks all remote functions. To unlock, press the same buttons together again. You'll hear a beep, and the lock icon will disappear from the screen. Press and hold the temperature down arrow button and the mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your TRANE AC remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.